Hi everybody, welcome on board Valkyrie. My name is Cynthia. We are on Ocracoke Island in North Carolina. So visiting Ocracoke Island has been a delight. It's exactly what we would have pictured Nantucket to be 50 years ago. Just cute, quaint, no chain restaurants, no chain stores, no chain hotels. The village has everything that you need, a very well stocked variety store with groceries and clothing, hardware store to put any chain hardware store to shame. You've got the ABC store, which is the local liquor store. You've got gift shops galore, restaurants galore. Now, winter, while we're here, we have one restaurant to go to, which we did go to. And we could totally see why people come here in the summer. It's just breathtaking. The beaches are amazing. Tiny little island, the history here with the Navy, they had a Navy base here. Blackbeard is supposedly buried here. So there's just a lot of unique characteristics to Ocracoke that really just kind of struck me as just charming. It's just a charming island. Anyway, here we are on Ocracoke, dealing with some wind and dealing with some cold weather.
Well, this is why we aren't cruising today. We got winds at 20 miles an hour. And Pimlico Sound is not going to be our friend today. Pretty windy out there in the Pimlico Sound today. Ferries didn't run today. Bikes blew over. This guy's been trying pretty hard to catch a fish here. I've seen a couple pelicans get lucky in this general little area, but this guy has been at it for over an hour and hasn't got anything. And there's the ferries. The ferries did not run today.
This video is short and sweet and just basically showing you what the winds have been doing over the last couple of days. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for subscribing. We just are enjoying our vacation, and we're glad that you are tagging along and watching what video we do take and put out there. It's not our number one priority to take video all day, every day. And but what we do take, we're happy to share with you and are thrilled that you are enjoying it. So we appreciate you. Thank you very much. Keep the texts and the calls coming because we love to hear from our friends and family. And we will be seeing you soon. But first, let's get off Ocracoke Island and head to our next destination.